Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. When it comes to outdoor cooking, the convenience and efficiency of a small gas grill can't be overstated. Whether you're a seasoned grilling aficionado or a casual backyard chef, the right small gas grill can transform your outdoor culinary experience. These compact marvels offer the perfect balance of portability, power, and performance, making them ideal for a variety of settings, from intimate patio gatherings to weekend camping trips. In this guide, we'll explore the world of small gas grills, uncovering the best options available on the market today. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Char Griller. The Char Griller E3001 3-burner Grill-In Pro Propane Gas Grill, reviewed by Thomas Francis, offers impressive features and performance for backyard grilling enthusiasts. With 3 stainless steel burners providing a powerful heat output of 40,800 BTUs, it ensures quick heating and consistent temperature control. Its spacious cooking area of 630 square inches, including a primary grilling area of 438 square inches, allows for versatile cooking options. Constructed from heavy steel with a powder-coated finish, this grill is durable and sturdy, with dual smokestacks enhancing ventilation for even heat distribution. On number 2, Weber Q1400. The Weber Q1400 electric grill offers a compelling option for those seeking an alternative to gas or charcoal grills. Reviewed by Michelle Piccolo, it boasts durability, easy transportability, and quick assembly. Equipped with cast iron cooking grates for heat retention, it delivers satisfying sear marks on grilled foods. Despite its lack of a temperature display and a relatively long preheat time, this electric grill proves efficient for outdoor cooking. With a modern design featuring sturdy handles and a disposable drip pan for easy cleanup, it offers convenience for urban spaces. Though it lacks a stand and a temperature gauge, its solid construction and straightforward setup make it a reliable choice for outdoor grilling enthusiasts. On number 1, Genesis. The Weber Genesis 2E210, reviewed by David Johnson in July 2020, offers a high-quality, compact gas grill suitable for smaller families or those with limited outdoor space. It features the GS4 high-performance grilling system with infinity ignition for easy starting and even heat distribution. Additional key features include a tuckaway warming rack, a grease-catching system for easy cleanup, built-in storage options, and compatibility with the iGrill 3 Bluetooth system for remote temperature monitoring. While assembly can be challenging and reaching high temperatures may be difficult, the grill's durable stainless steel construction and porcelain-coated cast iron grates ensure longevity and easy maintenance. In conclusion, selecting the best small gas grill involves considering various factors such as size, portability, cooking power, durability, and additional features. Whether you're grilling on a balcony, patio, or tailgating, a compact gas grill can offer convenience without compromising on performance. Through thorough research, it's evident that the best small gas grills combine efficient cooking capabilities with sturdy construction and user-friendly features. So guys, this was the video about the best small gas grills. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.